stop talking.
What?
Just stop about it.
You stop talking, man.
I'm not a man.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You sure?
Yep.
Excuse me?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So what?
Meow.
Don't judge my boy.
Meow.
No hetero.
Meow.
Wow. So that makes it homo?
Yes.
Yeah. Ah, he's gay.
I am.
No heteros.
My eyes are tickling.
Anyone ever said. Ooh.
Slow motion for real. Go. Wow. What just happened? Don't do that. We're like,
Yo, what time are you have to be home?
It doesn't matter.
You want to go to my house, grab the ball?
You guys are
Oh,
insane.
You
What time is right now?
My name is
Well,
Robin.
then when we go back, we could just
Well,
go
depends
or
what
run to
time.
my house.
Depends on what
Caroline
time
Schmidt.
is that.
It's probably a bad
Before
idea.
she's pretty.
It's probably a bad idea.
I hate my mom. Mom's old and sad.
Yeah, it's funny. But we'd be retarded, dude. We'd just stand on the side of my fence.
You'd be mental.
I love the side of your fence.
Yeah. That was a good time, right? You take 2 steps out of my house and you're there and you swing fence at the same time.
Two steps.
That's so
Yeah, dude.
cool.
Car
Jesus.
coming down the road.
Jesus, bracelet.
Don't break
And if
that.
my car come out.
Jesus, I forgot.
Yeah,